guys, welcome back to my Lightwhip tutorial series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to go over a move that I call a foot toss. So for a foot toss, this is a intermediate kind of move, and what it looks like is something like this. So in order to do a foot toss, a prereq that would be helpful in order to execute this move would be a leg wrap. So this, if you are not familiar with leg wraps, I do have a tutorial on wraps that go over that concept, so might be wise to go check that out before you attempt this move. So with a foot toss, it's a similar concept, but instead of starting with a wrap at the back, you're actually going to start at the front. And you're also going to do it closer to your foot, so more towards your ankle area than your leg area, because your leg area, it's not going to be a foot toss, it's just going to get stuck. So you want to make sure when you are doing your foot toss, you are wrapping your whip near your ankle. So, first step, spin in a clockwise motion, and then you're going to wrap it over your ankle. Once you become comfortable with wrapping the whip around your ankle, now you can move on to step 2, which is when you're going to use the momentum of the whip and you're going to move your leg with the whip so that you can cause the whip to stall so that you can then grab it. So when you do a foot toss, you can either grab it from the handle or you could grab it from the fibers. So spinning in your clockwise motion, you're going to wrap it around your ankle, and then once it hits this point here, that's when you're going to fling it into the air. So it's very similar to, like I said, your leg wrap, so that as soon as it makes that contact, that's when you're going to be moving your leg. So it's the same concept. As soon as it starts to wrap, that's when you're going to toss it off your foot. So for this move, I do suggest that you slow down the video so that you see what I'm doing. And it also comes with practice. So at first, it's going to be very difficult to understand how to balance your whip properly so that the handle actually does come back up and stalls at that certain point, but that's something that's going to come with practice. So, wrap, out. Clockwise, wrap, toss it out. So notice, as soon as it hits my ankle, I'm doing this kind of like upwards motion with my leg, and it's that upwards motion that's going to cause my whip to do that stall long enough for me to grab it by either the handle or the fibers. So that is all for today's tutorial. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, as it helps to support my channel. And don't forget to let me know if there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see. Just let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.